Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to save favorite templates in GetStencil. Here's how to save your favorite templates. Go to getstencils.com and log into your account. After that, open the design editor or click on the template tab on the left sidebar and browse available templates. Browse through the template or use the search bar to find that fits your need. You can also filter it by category by clicking on this drop-down menu. Once you find a template you like, click on it to open it on the editor. Unfortunately, GetStencil doesn't have a direct favorite button for templates. However, you can click on this star icon to save it. Here, to unfavorite the template, you can simply click on it. You can also see it in the 3 lines here. You can create a collection and add it to it. So that is how you can save favorite templates in GetStencil. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.